Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, I hope you are all fine. So today in this video we will get very beautiful and very stylish long wide legs, very fabulous winter season and summer season thus plazo design. Very beautiful and very stylish, different colors and in different styles. Ladies pant trousers, plazo trousers design you will get from this video. So viewers, I request you watch this video completely so that you can get idea through this video. You will get different kinds of ladies pant trousers design from this video. So I hope you are enjoying this video. This is very beautiful and very latest ladies plazo trousers, wide legs trousers collection. So very beautiful and very latest pant trousers design and plazo collection you will get from this video. For more latest collection you can visit my channel, because in my channel you will get everything related to fashion. So this is very beautiful and very stylish, very trendy ladies pant trousers design for kurti, for top. If you did not subscribe to my channel up till now, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. Viewers, please share this video with your friends, and if you have any questions so you can leave your comments below this video. What kind of fashion related content do you want to see in my next video? Please tell us, so we will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. And if you like this video, so give your thumbs up. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to give your thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video. Always take care of yourself and keep remember us in your special prayers. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.